In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add hamburger menu on Wix. To begin, open the Wix editor for the website you want to work on. This is where you will make changes to your site layout and navigation. Once you are inside the editor, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This panel contains the main tools you will use to add new content and design elements to your website. From that left side menu, click Add Elements, which is marked with a plus sign. This section gives you access to many different items you can place on your site, including text, images, buttons, menus, and more. Since you are adding a hamburger menu, this is the area you need to open first. After that, look for the category called Menu and Anchor. In some versions of Wix, you may instead see Menu and Search. Either option will take you to the menu-related tools you need. Click into that category so you can view the available menu styles and navigation elements. Next, find and select hamburger menus from the category list. This will show you a collection of menu icon designs that are made for compact navigation. A hamburger menu is especially useful if you want a cleaner header layout or a more mobile-friendly style. It keeps your navigation tucked away behind a simple icon, which can help your design look more modern and organized. Now choose the hamburger menu design you prefer. Wix usually offers a few visual styles, so pick the one that fits the overall look of your website. Once you have chosen one, drag and drop it directly into your site header. Placing it in the header is important because that is the standard location visitors expect for navigation. It also helps keep your menu easy to find on every page. As you place it, try to position the icon neatly within the header so it aligns well with the rest of your branding or layout. A clean placement will make the site look more polished and easier to use. Once the menu is added to the header, you are all set. You have successfully placed a hamburger menu on your Wix site using the built-in editor tools. That covers everything you need to know.